So this is my dance studio in Beverly Hills area. It's a beautiful floor. See this painting? I made this. Here, this mural, Person of the Year. Here you have controllers. Using iPad, control all the lights. Any lights you want, any color. Yeah, this is my mural. This is where we can dance. This is our restroom here, looks like this. This is an art piece I created as well. This is couch here. You can rest, and this is my storage area. So now I'm gonna do some cleaning. Floor is a little bit sticky today, so I have to clean it with this mop. So you can press. Really cool. First we need to install this guy. Goes this way. Velcro. Let's do some cleaning. This is solution. I think I need to add a little bit more. This is the best for the wood floor. Let's go. Enough. I can mix it with water a little bit. Full size. Now all of this we will have to clean. It's a little bit sticky with this guy. Easy life, professional dancer. Let's go. So this floor is very sticky if you not use correct solution. It's very important to mop it like this. There is no other way. Hands are the best. It was a big rain in Los Angeles for the last 2 days. It was a little bit leaking, that's why the floor is so sticky. So it's the only way for me to keep studio nice is to clean it this way. And we can dance as we practice. We can dance. Also, I really like cleaning. So it's very meditative processes, like cleaning your energy, inviting new energy. There's a lot of spiritual stuff for me in cleaning. Hello. That's what I do once in a while. The most interesting vlog of my life. Cleaning a dance floor. That's what we do. All real. Only this piece left. And we will be done. And we'll let it dry. The last piece right here.